Welcome back to our thrilling Canary Islands escapades. As our adventure continues, we set our sights on the next captivating destination, none other than the island of Tenerife, a true gem shining brightly within the beautiful Canary Islands archipelago. Get ready to be enchanted as we delve into the wonders of this alluring island. As the sun rises over Mount Teide, witness the awe-inspiring landscapes that define Tenerife. Mount Teide is an iconic volcano and the highest peak in Spain, standing tall at 3,718 meters above sea level. This majestic stratovolcano is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and is surrounded by the Teide National Park, a protected area known for its unique geological and ecological significance. The park's diverse landscapes include volcanic cones, lava flows, and a lunar-like terrain, creating a surreal and otherworldly atmosphere. Discover Playa de Las Teresitas, a beautiful beach located on the northeastern coast of Tenerife. It is situated in the charming town of San Andres, near the capital city, Santa Cruz de Tenerife. The beach is renowned for its golden sands, imported from the Sahara Desert in the 1970s, which creates a stunning contrast with the azure waters of the Atlantic Ocean. Playa de Las Teresitas stretches for about 1.5 kilometers and offers a relaxed atmosphere, making it an ideal spot for sunbathing, swimming, and enjoying water sports. Venture into the charming village of Massacre, tucked away in the Tenerife Mountains. Its stunning location and traditional architecture create a picturesque setting that seems straight out of a postcard. It is a village located in the northwest of Tenerife, the largest of the Canary Islands. Nestled amidst the rugged Tenerife Mountains, Massacre is renowned for its stunning natural beauty and traditional Canarian architecture. Massacre is surrounded by towering cliffs, deep ravines, and lush vegetation, creating a breathtaking and secluded setting. Its remote location and challenging access have contributed to the preservation of its authentic charm and tranquil atmosphere. Village's quaint houses, built with stone and clay, are an architectural marvel, blending harmoniously with the rugged landscapes. Prepare to be amazed by the dramatic Los Gigantes cliffs, towering over 800 meters above the Atlantic Ocean. The breathtaking views from these cliffs are simply unforgettable. The town of Los Gigantes itself offers a picturesque setting with charming streets, whitewashed buildings, and a relaxed ambience. Its quaint harbor provides a scenic backdrop, where visitors can enjoy a leisurely stroll, savor fresh seafood at restaurants, or embark on boat tours to explore the cliffs from the sea. Explore the historic town of La Laguna, officially known as San Cristobal de la Laguna. It is the second largest city on the island and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Founded in 1496, La Laguna served as the capital of Tenerife until it was replaced by Santa Cruz de Tenerife in 1723. The city has a rich historical and cultural heritage, with well-preserved architecture and significant landmarks dating back to the 16th and 17th centuries. One of the main attractions is the Cathedral of La Laguna, a beautiful example of Canarian Baroque architecture. Embark on an adventure through the enchanting Anaga Rural Park, with its ancient laurel forests, rugged mountains, and secluded beaches. It is located on the northeastern tip of Tenerife. Designated as a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, this lush park is known for its rugged mountains, ancient laurel forests, and secluded beaches. The park's unique geographical features, shaped by volcanic activity over millions of years, create a diverse and enchanting landscape. Steep valleys, deep ravines, and striking peaks define the area, offering breathtaking vistas and opportunities for outdoor exploration. The park's forests provide a cool and mystical atmosphere, with dense vegetation, moss-covered trees, and ferns. As the sun sets over Tenerife's breathtaking coastline, we hope you've been captivated by the island's beauty and allure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us on more exciting journeys to the world's most captivating destinations.